Good morning everybody, Belinda here. So I have gone and laid down my white. I forget what size I'm working on. It's a 12 by 40 inch. So at the end of the video, if you're interested, I will show you the thickness of my white. So I have been asked already the consistency. Right, so this is Prussian blue. Get that out. I think that's kitty hair. She's so beautiful, but so much hair. Right, too early in the morning. Brain hasn't kicked in yet. Right, so this is my white bloom recipe. I'm just going to put down just a little bit. And now I'll put down my Prussian blue. So I don't think I'm going to be needing too much paint. And I have turquoise. So I'm just adding the turquoise for the, the softness and the contrast. This is not a big canvas. And today I'm using my 24 karat gold deco art. Now, you guys have been stuck with me for a long time. You will know that I've always used that. So let's add some. I haven't used it in a while. It's very overpowering, so you just need a little bit. I'm happy with that. Now, bearing in mind that gold and blue make green, let's hope we still have some blue. Okay, let's go. I like this very much. I'm going to just blow a bit of this out here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I've got quite a lot of blank here. Oh, I love this. I absolutely love what's going on there. Oh. I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. I'm just going to give it another torch. Oh, before I bring you in for a close-up, I would like to show you the white. So I'm just going to torch a little bit over here, see if anything comes up over there. Wow, that is beautiful. It's so delicate and so stunning. Okay guys, I know it's taken a bit of trial and error, but I think I've got it now. So if you have a look at the paint, hopefully you can see that. You see how it's just going straight in? It's nothing like water. It's not like cream, it's kind of in between. So I would say it's probably full cream milk consistency. It doesn't really leave a trail, it just disappears. And this one here is also my bloom recipe, a couple of videos back. Really dried beautifully. Alright guys, I'll take you in for a close-up. I absolutely love this part here. I think that is just spectacular. And all of this lacing and the cells, I love that this Prussian blue has gone all in between there. And this gold is, again, never disappoints. And look at that Prussian blue, the lines there. And these beautiful cells that have popped up. I love the way these edges are all formed like that. And that is gorgeous. See all of the little cells along there and the lacing. And that has got to be my second favorite part there. What I do love very much is all of these little cells and lacing that's going on both sides of the Prussian blue. Right guys, I think I've nailed it. It's been quite a few attempts and I'm really happy with this outcome. I don't think I could have done it any better with these colours. Well guys, if you'd like to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, you will see, if you click down see more above the below the description box, you will see all my details there. Alright guys, if you're interested in buying any of my artworks, then you can contact me as well. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.